Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are okay and happy. So today's video is going to be a holy makeup look. This is not just for the holy thing. You can do it at daytime, you can do it for college, you can do it for office, and you can do it if you are going somewhere at daytime. So yeah, that is my makeup look. I know you guys must be wondering, where is the makeup, but yes guys, I have done a very minimal makeup look kind of thing because it's holy. Okay, so what you guys will do with so much of blush, with eyeshadow? So that's why I wanted to do a minimal makeup look, so that your skin texture looks better, your eyes looks bigger, and your lips look better. Okay, and yes, I will also share some tips and tricks to prevent your skin from damage, not just for the holy color, but for the damage we do to our skin after applying makeup. So watch the video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So yeah, now without any further blabbering, let's get started. So I have nothing on my face. I just washed my face with water. Now I am going to do skin prep. And the skincare का पहला step होता है कि using a toner. So I will just spray this toner on all over my face. Now when this toner is taking time to get completely absorbed in my skin, I will use my lip balm on my lips. Now you are going to play Holi at daytime, so you must apply a sunscreen. You can skip moisturizer, but don't skip the sunscreen, because sunscreen is your best friend when you are going out at daytime, because sun damage your skin in an extreme level. You can skip face wash, you can skip face pack, but don't skip sunscreen. You should always use a sunscreen, and especially when you are going out, you must apply it. Okay, so you don't need much, you just need a very small amount of this sunscreen, and it will cover all your face. Now our skin prep is done. So now we are going to start our makeup. For this I am going to apply foundation. I don't like BB cream much, but if you like BB cream you can apply it, but I like foundation more than BB cream, because BB cream has SPF, so it gives me white cast. I don't like that. Now we are going to play Holi at daytime. So daytime hai, so keep this makeup as much minimal as possible, because at daytime ज़्यादा makeup अच्छा नहीं लगता. So yeah, now foundation, I am going to blend foundation with my finger as much as possible. Then I will use my sponge, my beauty blender. But before that I am going to blend this foundation with my finger as much as possible, because this helps me to blend the foundation really well. Blend guys, blending is the key. I think people sometimes complain that their makeup don't look flawless, and they can't do makeup. It's because first of all, you are not doing any skin prep, you are just washing your face, and then you are applying foundation, your concealer. So what happened, you don't have any base. So when you don't have have any base, your makeup won't look flawless. And second thing is that they use a foundation lighter than their actual shade. Guys, makeup means you need to enhance your features. Makeup don't mean that you have to be fair, okay? So when you are going to buy your foundation, your concealer, your loose powder, make sure that it is on your shade. But Maybelline Fit Me, it gets oxidized. But Maybelline is teenager friendly, so and I don't think Maybelline की रेंज में दूसरा कोई अच्छा सा फाउंडेशन मिलेगा. अगर मिलेगा, अगर तुम्हें पता है कि कोई एक अच्छा सा फाउंडेशन है Maybelline की रेंज में, तो कमेंट डाउन बिलो. एंड now I am just going to bake my face with a compact. Obviously this is a Lakme compact and I am in the shade Natural Marble. The detail of all the products will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. एंड डे टाइम में ना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मिनिमल होना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. सो दैट्स वाई आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई ओनली eyeliner, because I think eyeliner works better than the kajal. So yeah, I'm just going to apply eyeliner on my eyelids. Okay, so that's it guys. Now I'm going to apply mascara, because without mascara your makeup looks so dull, and especially when it is no makeup look or it is a daytime look. Daytime में आप अपने पूरे फेस में इतना सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. So it's important कि your focus should be on your eye. Okay, make your eyes look beautiful, and you can't do so much things on your face, so you need to work with your eyes, and that's why I'm going to apply mascara so that my eyes looks bigger. Now I am going to apply lipstick, and yes, it's a nude lipstick. It's Maybelline Nude Nuancy. See, I think you can't even detect that I have applied something. Obviously it's because of my camera. मतलब कैमरा थोड़ी सी अच्छी होती तो डिटेक्ट कर पाते. But trust me guys, this lipstick is so good. You can wear it every day, every time, everywhere you go. I mean, you can even use it at your own home. We have done our face. This is so minimal. I mean, you can do it everywhere you go. I just use foundation or BB cream, what you like. I love foundation, that's why I use it. If you love BB cream, then go for it. Then focus on your eyes, because you are not applying anything on your face, so focus on your eyes. Use your do your eyeliner, or if you don't like eyeliner, do your kajal. I like to use eyeliner, and then obviously use mascara. Don't skip mascara, and yes, obviously use a brown nude. And now let's sum up all the tips and tricks which you can use to prevent your skin from further damage. First thing is, do your skin prep. Obviously use a toner, don't skip a toner. You can skip moisturizer if you don't like it, or if you have oily skin you can skip moisturizer, but don't skip toner. And उसके बाद sunscreen लगाओ. Don't do makeup on bare face, because if you apply makeup on bare face, it will gonna absorb. Your skin is going to absorb all the makeup, and it will damage your skin. Next step is that always wash your beauty blender, your makeup brush properly before using it. And the next one is use a sunscreen for a daytime if you are going to college, if you are going to office, if you are going to do shopping, no matter where are you going, always use a sunscreen. If it is a daytime, you will do your makeup, or you want to do your makeup, or you don't want to do your makeup, it depends on you, but always use a sunscreen. And the last one is, don't remove your makeup with water. I mean, don't apply water before removing your makeup. Okay, when you can use micellar water, you can use a makeup remover wipes, or properly wash your full face.
So this is my final look. I hope you guys like it.
That was my today's video, guys. I hope you guys like it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and yes, tada.